as an IT professional aware of this one. Madhuprabha, C sharp. C sharp, Madhuprabha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C sharp. Nowadays, C sharp is competitor of Java. Java. C sharp available in .NET. .NET. You know about .NET? Know about .NET, all of you, Vijay. .NET and Java. Java different technology. Don't confuse. .NET and Java has .NET and .NET and Java have 70%, 70% of software development share. Software development share. The competitor of Java, .NET technology. .NET. What is .NET? Any idea, Madhuprabha? What is .NET? Is it programming language? Java is programming language. Python is programming language.
.NET is a framework.
.NET is a framework. Good. It is a software development framework, or you can say it is a suite of technologies. In order to provide common runtime for multiple languages. Microsoft designed and developed this .NET suite 20 years back, 2002. Observe, Vijay, important things. .NET is a suite of technologies. In order to provide common runtime, they created this suite. In this suite, 30 plus languages available. 30 plus languages. C sharp .NET, VB.NET, VC++.NET. Just a minute. C sharp .NET, VB.NET, VC++.NET, J sharp.NET. J sharp supports Java, etc. See, in this 30 plus languages, you can use in this .NET framework, Anita. If you are a developer, .NET developer, you can use VB.NET or C sharp.NET or VC++.NET, your choice. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
And .NET is cross-platform and open source. Here, cross-platform, Java also cross-platform, open source, Java also freeware, Python also freeware. Then what is the advantage of .NET? .NET can be used to develop desktop applications, mobile applications, and web applications. Java also can be used to develop desktop applications, web applications, and mobile applications. Then what is the advantage of .NET? One advantage is there. That is, in .NET, languages are independent languages. Language independent concept is there, Vijay. See, platform independent. Cross-platform is platform independent. Language independent concept is there in this .NET technology, Vijay. What is a language independent? Suppose if you develop one software using C sharp .NET, if you want to run this code in VB, you can reuse this code in VB. You can reuse this code in VC++. Getting this point? Language independent. Vaibhav, language independent.
Yes, sir.
Platform independent. Java supports platform independent. Here, platform means operating system. Suppose if Java supports Vora, write once and run anywhere. Suppose if you write your Java code on Windows environment, compile that code using that class file, you can execute that code in same Windows environment or Linux environment or Mac environment without any changes. Platform independent. here .NET platform independent as well as language independent. Suppose as a C# developer, you wrote some code in your C# .NET. You want to use this in this code in VB or VC++. You can reuse the code in other language. Suppose if you want to use Java code in Python code in Java, that is difficult. But C# .NET code in VB.NET, VB.NET code in VC++.NET, VC++.NET code in J# .NET, it is easy. That is language independent. Okay, come to mainstream. Okay, now Vijay, did you understand that language?
Yeah, pretty good. I like it.
What about you, Madhuprabha? Did you understand this .NET speciality? Language independent?
Yes, sir.
We can reuse one language code into another language. Okay.